Ever had one of those days where everything feels like it's slipping away? What if it literally did? You're sipping coffee and bam, all of it starts floating. Your mug, your cat, your neighbor's lawn, known because gravity has ghosted on us. Here at LOLgic, we ask the dumb but mind-blowing questions so you don't have to. What happens if gravity stops working on Earth for a day? Gravity, the quiet MVP of the cosmos, keeps your feet planted, oceans where they belong, and the moon orbiting. Lose it for 24 hours? Fasten your seatless belts, they won't help as we dive into a gravity-free apocalypse full of chaos, cosmic collapse, and maybe, just maybe, a new appreciation for this unseen force. By the end, you'll probably say, I didn't know that. At least for times, one moment everything's normal. The next pure anarchy, everything that isn't bolted down floats. You, your couch, your dog. And thanks to Earth's spin 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, inertia slingshots everything sideways. Boom, unintentional spaceflight, oceans, lakes, and rivers break into floating blobs. Rain, snow, clouds scatter, weather systems collapse. Inside buildings, anything not screwed down ascends to the ceiling. Highways become drifting bumper cars smashing into bridges and tunnels. Even air starts rising, leaving you gasping. Globally, chaos rains, glass, debris, furniture, animals, everything airborne. This is just minute 1 of the gravity knockout. Gravity's gone and so is our atmosphere. Without pressure holding it in, air rushes into space. In seconds, the sky darkens as oxygen, nitrogen, CO disappear. Eardrums rupture, lungs collapse, blood boils inside you. Consciousness fades in 15 seconds. No air means no sound, the world goes silent mid-chaos. Radiation floods in, temperatures plummet. The world becomes a silent, irradiated popsicle. Humans and plants suffer. Blood rushes to your head, your heart strains. Muscles atrophy, bones weaken. Your inner ear flips out. Houseplants float and die. Ecosystems crumble, plants, animals, microbes all vanish. Food chains collapse, life evaporates, Earth's foundation shatters. The molten core expands, triggering supervolcano eruptions worldwide. Tectonic plates shift uncontrollably, mountains collapse, earthquakes rip continents. The moon drifts away, magnetic fields wane, the planet warps into a volcanic wasteland. And we're still hours in, Earth isn't alone in this meltdown. Without gravity, the sun loses its planets. Earth, Mars, Jupiter drift off in straight lines. Gas giants lose their atmospheres, asteroids scatter, galaxies unravel. The universe becomes a cold, empty void. On the ground, if you're still grounded, panic erupts. People grab anything solid, but debris rains down. Satellites vanish, cell towers collapse, the internet disappears. Eating, drinking, sleeping, hygiene all impossible. Infrastructure fails, no transport, no power, no water, no sewage. Governments freeze, mass panic spreads. Here's the kicker, after 24 hours, gravity snaps back on instantly. Everything falls, people, water blobs, lava, debris. Tsunamis, earthquakes, total destruction. Few survivors in deep shelters wake to a world wrecked twice. Survivors crawl from the rubble into a world devoid of air, shield, stability. Atmosphere's gone, radiation ruins everything. Climate swings wildly, some scorched, others frozen. Geography is shredded, rebuilding becomes hard mode. If life persists, it will be bizarre. Gravity, the unsung powerhouse of the universe. We never think about it until we do, and realize we'd be toast without it. This thought experiment shows how fragile and interconnected our world is. Next time you stay grounded, say a little thanks. If this blew your mind, like, subscribe to LOLgic and drop your wildest what if in the comments. Here, learning isn't boring and logic always comes with laughs. Stay grounded, literally.